Good morning, my friends. How are you all? It is Monday, and I titled this video Monday Madness because we are already off to a late start this morning. I had a unusually busy weekend, which all my weekends are busy. I work full-time, and so my weekends are always very, very busy. Always. I hardly ever get a weekend where I can just stay at home and relax. But this weekend was just really, really busy. It was from sun up to sundown, both days, just going. So we are tired this morning. So I was running a little bit late. I went ahead and applied all my makeup this morning. The only thing I have left out is my mascara, and I saved the best for last because, as you know, you hear me talk about this Epic mascara every single day, and I'm just going to keep on talking about it. I'm going to keep on talking about it until I convince every single one of you that you need to try this Epic mascara. So I have two colors I'm going to use this morning, the regular black and the newly released beautiful purple, and I am going to do a minking technique where I use the black on the base of my lashes, and then I'm going to come back in and put just a little bit of purple on the tips, and that makes for a really beautiful finish. So I am going to just go ahead and start on this, trying to keep this down at the base as best as I can. Girls, this was a quick makeup morning for me. Really quick. And guess what? I grabbed my Splurge cream shadows. Those are my go-tos when I'm in a hurry and I don't want to have to mess with blending colors. And you know, I love doing that with my pressed powder eyeshadows or the palettes when I have a ample amount of time. But when I'm in a hurry, I grab for these Splurge cream shadows. Hi, Krista.